Hello, Kermit Frog here. Welcome to Happy Platter. Hi everyone. Today we have some amazing chefs that are going to cook some really good food. And I think it's going to be really tasty. We have our judges here.
Hi, my name is Mr. Courtney, and now I will taste all of the food and I like the food. Thank you. I like it.
Hi, my name's Pinkie Pie. I'm one of the judges today, and I am excited to taste the food.
And it's going to be a lot of fun. Let's see what goes on today.
Hi, my name is Kiwa. I'm 4 years old. I'm gonna make a carrot soup. Hi, my name's Naomi and I am 6 years old. Today I'm going to make cupcakes with fruit ball sprinkles.
It looks like Kira is picking up some vegetables to put in her carrot soup. I think it's going to be nice and tasty. Looks like she's putting some vegetables and... Oh no, I think that's a cake. Oh wow, that looks really cool. Oh yeah, that's right, she's making some cupcakes. And she's going to use some water, she said. I guess to make like the beef stock, which will be great. She's moving really fast.
Some coffee for you.
Oh, a little bit of coffee too, sound like she said. Looks like she's having a hard time trying to figure out what she wants. It looks like some action is happening now. We got the carrots and all the other vegetables put in a pot. Let's see her turn on her fire. Oh, there's some milk. Oh, wow, interesting.
Okay.
Sugar of some sort.
I have milk and some kind of pepper and one really fast. It's a hot dog.
Looks like she just put a hot dog into the microwave oven.
And I put some water.
Looks like we got the microwave oven going. Oh wow, it looks like it's coming together. I hope she remembers that she had to serve it on a plate. Looks like she's having fun in the competition. She's just dancing around. think she put them in the oven. Oh my goodness. Wow. How resourceful. It looks like she's using the book as a plate. That's very interesting. Whoa, look at that. Look at this setup. It looks gorgeous.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Don't want to trip over a cup over there. Oh, it looks like she's plating. It's going to be really good. It's going to be really good. Oh, her secret weapon. The fruit balls. Cool.
The carrots were a little bit different, so I put a hot dog so it could be very good, and that's why I put tea, and I thought if I put potatoes, but it couldn't work, so I just put it back. So I just make tea, and then I was done. For the cupcakes, I used powder, sugar, and I put milk, cream, and grape juice in it, and I mixed it all up into a mixture, and then it turned into muffins. Then I added the frosting, and I set it on a plate and got the fruit ball snacks, and I put them under them to make it a little delicious with some flavor in it, and then I set them up like a flower, and voila, I set them on the plate and gave them to the judges. Yes, I forgot to put them in the oven because I didn't think about the muffins, so I really rushed. It stopped dancing and I was like jumping around. It was funny. This is very, very overcooked. And let's see. That tastes pretty good. It's just with the carrots. It looks a little burned. It's not. I put the garlic on some of the hot dogs so it could taste good. But the potatoes, I put the potatoes on, but it wouldn't look, so I put it away. Oh, this looks very delightful. This is only for the way to open mine. So I think it's very good. So I think we could dance. Oh, I'm so sorry. And stop eating them. It's like I could eat all 5 cupcakes. So, you know what? It's very, very, very good. Okay.